How to check who you recently unblocked on Snapchat or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before you start the video, make sure to update Snapchat to the latest version. So first of all, open up Snapchat on your device. Then tap on profile at the top left corner. Now tap on settings at the top right corner. Now simply scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on blocked users. Now as you can see, there is no option to view blocked history. Now simply go back and tap on my data. Now wait for some time. Now even in the data download section, there is no information for the blocked users and unblocked users. So unfortunately, you cannot find the people who you recently unblocked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.